Good morning or good afternoon. All right, today we're doing an SEO audit of doctorsdangelo.com. Howdy, my name is Kieran from Clear Imaging, and I've been doing search engine optimization since all the way back in 2003, the good old days. And I'm doing this today because I want to give you my knowledge so you can grow your business, because business owners are not SEO guys. They are usually professionals of their trade. So I want to help you out. The goal of this audit is to find SEO mistakes on your website, give you the solution, and tell you why. And I want to make this very clear. This is just a brief 10-minute or less audit. We won't be able to cover everything. We're just going to go over the major bits, but you will have stuff that you can take and run and get some changes. So let's rock and roll. We're going to check the very first thing. Right click, view source. We're going to look at your title. Yes, this won't do it all. This is the title. This is one of the strongest things you can tell Google about your page. This is really telling Google what you're all about. It needs to have your company name. It needs to have your main service or product, and it needs to have your service area. So you are missing the boat on this, my people, but it's okay. It doesn't have to continue being wrong. This can get corrected, but this is major. This needs to be dealt with right away. What else? The next thing we want to check is for your main heading. By the way, see this whole piece here? This is this up here. And that's what I mean by the title of the page. Now we're going to look for the heading. Oh, you don't have a heading 1. H1, no, H2, H3. Okay, that's not good either. So, but I was just checking for headings. And this is kind of like a Microsoft, think of Microsoft Word. You have your heading 1, your heading 2, your heading 3. You know what I'm talking about, right? Anyway, your site isn't coded in the code in a way that it's using the headings, which is not good, because Google will take the headings and will also use that to assess your website. So that needs to get sorted out. You need to have your H tags, your heading tags, corrected. That would be given to an SEO person. You don't have to figure that out yourself, but just know that that needs to be done. Next, amount of words on the page. You want to have 500 words or more. And I hazard your page has 100 words, your home page here. So Google is a computer. Think of it as a machine. It's scanning pages. It's not a person. It's looking for words. The more words it has, the better it can analyze your website. If you only have 100 words, it's not going to come to any meaningful conclusion about how it should rank you for certain search terms. So your home page needs to be very full of not just dumping in keywords, but text and content which is relevant and quality, and which is on the topic of your products and services. Okay? The more you have of that, the better Google can understand you and better rank you. So your homepage needs some serious text added. All right? Let's check your internal pages. Additionally, your internal pages also need to have 500 words or more. And I'm seeing also your internal pages have the same title. See how it has your phone number up here? That these all need to be redone. This should not be that way. It should be optimized. So internal page, yeah, you've got like 50 words there. This one has maybe 100, 200. Yeah, not many words. A little bit, not bad. Got testimonials, which is good. I'm just trying to see if you have any. That's a bit thin. The content is thin. Okay, we've established that. You have probably one page that has close to 500 words. So the content is thin, meaning it's going to be hard for you to rank well in Google for searches related to all this stuff, to your services here. So for those inside pages, you need 500 words of text, relevant, quality, useful text, You need to get the titles redone because they were all duplicates of the homepage. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Let's check it out. Still has your phone number. Yeah, these all need to be redone. So that's that for your inside pages. How about this? You've got your padlock, which means you have your security certificate. So that's one thing you're doing right. Bravo, good job. How about Google? I ran a test with Google page speed, kind of low, 63. Our website's at Clear Imaging, by the way. We're Clear Imaging. That's our company. Our websites rank in the high 90s. This is us. So our websites will be in the high 90s, so we can get that up for you. Mobile friendly, your site is mobile friendly, according to Google, so that's great. Broken links, I did a test. Apparently, you have one broken link to MapQuest. That may or may not be correct, but whatever, you can check that out. And then we just come back here with that overview. So my assessment is everything I just went over, plus more pages. You see, if you want to rank well for a service, let's just pick one of these, right? Nutritional cleansing. If you wanted to rank well on Google for nutritional cleansing, just having it mentioned here and then mentioned on the homepage will not do it all. You will need to have several articles about nutritional cleansing. Do you see what I'm saying? Then Google will be able to really see, oh wow, this guy isn't just mentioning nutritional cleansing, he has a considerable amount of valuable content written on this topic. I should bump him up in the search results. So that is the idea. So we're all about content here and creating content. So I would highly recommend a very comprehensive content creation campaign on all of your services, 50 pages at least for your website, and really get you rocking and rolling. So I hope that was helpful for you. So that was just an overview. As I said, this is us, Clear Imaging. But with the information I gave you, you could take it and run with it and make some big changes to get your site moving up in the search results. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, I don't have time for all this, I want these guys to do it for me. Well, we can certainly help you with that. We've been helping small business owners get their websites moving up in Google since 2004. And we only employ 100% ethical SEO techniques, search engine optimization techniques. We don't do anything weird. We don't do any black hat or gray hat. We are only white hat. So just come on down to clearimaging.com, hit contact us, send me a message, say hi. And if there's any other information you'd like, if there's anything I said that you want me to expand on, I'd love to give you more knowledge. I'm at your service. All right? So take care, have a good one, and Merry Christmas.